I'm Joseph Valte, son of late Vungjagin Valte, ex-minister Thalon MLA. So we came down to the Chief Minister office today. We have a great interaction with the Chief Minister, and we are looking for peace and prosperity to come to the Manipur state, and looking forward for peace and prosperity. Thank you.
The chef.
So this is Zomi traditional wisdom. This is Zomi traditional.
I am Vungswan Naulak, Chairman of Zomi Council. Zomi Council is a conglomeration of 8 tribes in Manipur. We came from Lamka this morning to meet Honorable CM regarding the ongoing developments in Sisipur district and to build mutual confidence. We were having a very healthy and warm interaction, and after the discussions we partook a delicious lunch, and we are very grateful that the state government is reaching out so that we could work together for the development of our people and for future peace.
I'm Mary Jones, Secretary, Information and Publicity in Zomi Council, Dugilakani. Hozikta Tahi Ahum. Adugi Loibanda, Nasi Imphal Lakase is very Nungaide. Manipur Valley Hills, the gay relation, they say. Adum Hazanatat Kasik Pami, Adum Kakat, Justice, Haisra, Quina, Waba, Hinaba. Tahi Hum Manunda, Queen of King of Basin said, reconcile Natrega, looking back to our Sikh culture, Hyderabad, the Ingba, Hagadi, Hydase, Wapam, comes in.
I wish, and the Zomi Council wish that peace should return to Manipur state, and people should work together, people should interact, and people should look forward towards progress of the people, progress of the state. Thank you.